So we're going to cook you chickpea curry. It's going to take us not 6 minutes, not 7 minutes, but 5 minutes. Wow!
Derek and I recently went to Ireland and visited Stephen and David Flynn, otherwise known as the Happy Pear. After a great breakfast and a chat in their cafe,
so here we are having a little brekkie.
followed by an impromptu gymnastics show outside their veg shop, they brought us out to see their Pearville farm, where we all had some grass.
This is skunk.
Wheatgrass, actually. After seeing where they produce, package and distribute their products, we were all starving, so they invited us back to their kitchen at Pearville
Right this way, Derek.
for a quick curry to warm us up.
So we're going to cook you chickpea curry. It's going to take us not 6 minutes, not 7 minutes, but 5 minutes. Oh! Okay, so base flavours. The base flavour of any curry, you're going to start with some form of an onion, whether it be scallion, onion, whatnot. We've got garlic, which is going to be part of the root flavours. And then we're going to go with ginger and a bit of chilli for a bit of spice.
I love base.
Yeah.
I love base.
Okay, next step, spices. So with generally plant-based cooking, we're trying to cook with less fat and generally with more whole food. So here we have turmeric, about a tablespoon. Ground cumin, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon ground coriander, a little bit of... I'm going to go with some curry powder as well. I'm going to smoke paprika. I'm going to leave some paprika out.
Okay.
So you can just keep it very simple. If you do not have any of these, just simply use 2 tablespoons of curry powder.
2 minutes.
2 minutes left. Oh my God! Can they do it? Can they do it? Okay, right. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to awaken the spices.
It's
just
awake.
by activating them through heat. The oil will help disperse the flavour. Okay, right. Thanks for that little rant. That was lovely.
Can you do it with water if you don't cook it away?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
It's releasing. Right.
Derek's getting a steamed facial
Oh my God,
over
it
here.
smells incredible. It's just
I like it.
powerful.
Okay, next step, we're going to add in some coconut milk. What it's going to add is more creaminess, more fat.
It's so
more
thick.
satiation. And well, that's because it's so cold in this country. Yeah. You probably aren't used to that living in warmer countries.
No, I am not used to that.
Yeah, it's usually all solid in this country. For
see.
9 months of the year.
We were thinking that it was probably bad when somebody was asking this question the other day. They're like,
No,
it's
for about 1 day a year, it's actually not solid.
Okay.
Okay, coriander, cilantro, yes, no?
Oh, yes.
So just include the stalks. The stalk will deliver a lot of flavour too. We call this a chickpea curry, so in goes 1 tin of chickpeas, aka 40 grams. We just drain
you
and
could
rinse them.
use
butter beans, you could use kidney beans, aduki beans, black
lentils,
whatever you
Did
want.
you say dookie beans?
Aduki.
Oh.
Aduki.
Okay.
We're going to go with a handful of spinach as well and just wilt that down too. Get in there now, don't be.
All right, I was shy.
All right.
Now remember the lines are... No, wait, just no, for real. Try it now for real.
I'm gonna get a bit of everything.
Lovely,
One
yeah.
spoonful.
Probably a little more salt.
That is so flavorful.
Isn't it? There's a lot of flavour
Lord.
coming out.
Wow.
But yeah, base flavours were onion, garlic, ginger, chilli, and then the sauce was tomato and coconut milk. And then we put in
That
some
was so
spinach.
quick.
and-
I mean, this is amazing.
Yeah.
And it's really cheap to make.
Yeah, it probably cost you about €5, feed 5 people, or feed about 2 to 3 people.
That was a damn good curry. And wait, there's more. Join us in the next video where the guys show us how to make a delicious decadent chocolate cake. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us an old like.